the coronavirus disease that is making people unized. I will first explain what coronavirus is.
I'll continue by explaining coronavirus disease COVID-19. What is coronavirus disease COVID-19? To finish, I'll explain one by one. Discussion component 1. Definition of coronavirus. 2. Sign and symptom of coronavirus. 3. Supporting investigation. 4. Management process. Next, I'd like to talk about definition of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease caused by a viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disturbance to the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and even death. Coronavirus infection is called COVID-19, coronavirus disease 2019, and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. The virus is transmitted very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. I'd like to elaborate on sign and symptom of coronavirus: sore throat, fever, cough, shortness of breath. Pandemic COVID-19. The symptoms of COVID-19 generally appear within 2 days to 2 weeks after the patient is exposed to the coronavirus. To clarify, I wanted to say signs and symptoms of coronavirus. 1. Sore throat, starting with the characteristic of inflammation, hoarseness, cough with dry mucus or cough. 2. High fever similar to flu. One way to examine people who have contracted the coronavirus is to check their body temperature. The characteristic of people who have been infected with coronavirus body temperature reaches more than 38 degrees Celsius. I'd like to add something to a point we discussed earlier. Normal body temperature is an average of 37 degrees Celsius. 3. Severe cough. Another feature of coronavirus infection that needs to be considered is a severe cough, especially after traveling abroad or to areas that are the red zone of the spread of the coronavirus. 4. Shortness of breath, marked by sudden chest tightness or difficulty breathing accompanied by pain in the chest, lips or blush face, confusion, lethargy until unconscious. Supporting investigation, swab test. The swab test is a series of process of taking mucus from the respiratory tract. You do this by rubbing the throat through the mouth and nose. Specimen samples are taken to the laboratory. A total of 2 until 3 ml of the sample will be put into a sterile tube and immediately sent to the laboratory for testing. Sample testing. After arriving at the laboratory assistant will carry out a series of tests on specimen samples using the RT-PCR procedure. Test results. Generally, corona test results using the RT-PCR method will come out in less than 24 hours. Management process. COVID-19 pandemic. Keep social distancing to measures. Management process. Let's stay at home. Management process pandemic COVID-19. How to prevent an outbreak. 1. Washing hands. 2. Wearing a mask. 3. Don't shake hands. 4. Not in pitch.
Please use hand sanitizer.
Use hand sanitizer or wash your hands with soap. Just stay at home and wear a mask when traveling. Comply with applicable regulation. Maintain a distance 2 meters. Don't forget to wear a mask. True treasure is health, not gold and silver. Mahatma Gandhi.
Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching in this video.